Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to link your Square appointments to Google Calendar so you can stay organized and never miss a booking. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Square account by tapping squareup.com. And then once you're in the dashboard, head over to the appointment section on the left-hand menu. And then after that one, you just need to look for the word settings in the appointment section. Scroll down until you see the calendar and booking. Here, tap on that one. And then right after that one, you just need to scroll down. So look for the option that says click to link Google Calendar. So here, scroll down and make sure you look for that button. And then right after that one, so if you will be able to find that one, for example, to that one is you just need to tap on that button and then click that one, and then a pop-up will appear asking you to log into your Google account, and then go ahead and sign in, then allow Square to access your calendar. So here, I'm just gonna tap this continue button, and then right after this one is after tapping this one, I will be asked to choose your sync preferences. So here you can select import and export, or import only, or export only. So for example, so that is this one, the import only. And after selecting your preferences, you just need to click save to make everything works. You can also book a test appointments. And after that one, that's it guys. You've successfully linked Square appointments to Google Calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video. See you in my next video.